Love is not just an emotion, it is a powerful force. It is the energy with which the Creator made this cosmos. So never underestimate the power of unconditional love. Love your family, love your work, and love your Lord unconditionally and see the magic unfold. Radiate only love and peace to the cosmos and create a beautiful future for yourself and this planet. I know that some of my children are waiting since long for their dream job. They shall soon get it. Keep up the hope alive. Don't get stressed about your kids' exam. They will pass with flying colors. Be kind and compassionate with your house help and employees. Stay happy and keep smiling.
स्वतंत्रतानी जीवा. आज स्वतःला आरशात बघा व स्वतःलाच पाहून हसा. एक छानशी मिठी द्या आणि नेहमी विश्वास ठेवा की मी तुमच्या सोबतच आहे व तुमच्यावर खूप प्रेम करतो. म्हणून आनंदी रहा व खूप हसत रहा. माझे आशीर्वाद सदैव तुमच्या पाठीशी आहेत.